Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring a legal method to enjoy an Apple TV Plus free trial. This step-by-step guide will help you take advantage of Apple's promotional offers without breaking any rules. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Ensure eligibility. Before you begin, make sure you aren't already subscribed to Apple TV Plus or that you haven't previously taken advantage of a trial offer. Check if your Apple ID qualifies for a new trial by logging into your Apple ID account page. Step 2. Choose your device. Apple TV Plus is available on various devices, including iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and even some smart TVs. Ensure your device is updated to the latest software version for optimal performance. Step 3. Sign up for Apple TV Plus. 1. Open the Apple TV app on your chosen device. 2. Scroll down until you see the Apple TV Plus section. 3. Click on Try it free or subscribe. 4. Follow the prompts to complete your subscription process. Step 4. Create a new Apple ID, if necessary. If you are not eligible for a free trial due to an existing subscription, you can create a new Apple ID. 1. Go to the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on your name at the top, then select Sign Out. 3. Choose Create New Apple ID and follow the instructions provided. 4. Once created, log into the Apple TV app with this new account. Step 5. Enjoy your free trial. After successfully signing up, you'll receive a free trial period of typically 7 days. Make the most of your trial by exploring all the content available on Apple TV Plus, including original shows, movies, and documentaries. Step 6. Remember to cancel, if desired. Keep track of your trial period. If you do not wish to continue the subscription, you can cancel before the trial ends. 1. Go back to the Apple TV app. 2. Tap on your account icon, then select Subscriptions. 3. Find Apple TV Plus and select Cancel Subscription. DG. Conclusion. If you love the service and want to keep enjoying Apple TV Plus, you don't need to cancel. But if it's not for you, make sure to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.